going on, man? It's D-Wave back with another 1v1. This is the rematch. My boy Ty here. He handed me an L. Not gonna lie. I haven't played ones in like 8 months, so like I'm giving myself the benefit of the doubt. but we're gonna run another one. We're gonna do real hooper rules this time. So we're gonna do 3 spots. We're gonna do the wing here, top of the key, and then the other wing here. We're gonna do 3 dribbles each spot, 5 points each, all ones. Yeah, man, we're gonna get straight into it, man. See who the real hooper is. Man. All right, he got balls since he won the last game. All right. Damn.
Kelvin.
Y'all hoopers know. You hit that shuffle, man. You do some long shit. You know. Good defense, D-Wave. What, 2-1? The fact that shot even got to the rim is wild. That was right there. Hey, yo, you see that? He's crazy. Give me the ball back. Oh! That's disrespectful, I'm not gonna lie. I just suck right now. Good recovery, D-Wave. Oh, shit. I thought he was gonna take 4 dribbles. Alright, see now I'm gonna show him why he shouldn't do this. Come on. He's not gonna do that no more after that. Do something. Oh my! No smoking in the gym, man. He's gonna move. Hey, you wanna hit this?
He's only who is doing.
You wanna hit this? Hey, yo. Hey. Oh, that took off so bad. I'm taking stupid ass shots today. I don't know why I'm taking such dumbass shots. I think I just forgot how to play basketball. He's cold now. He's cold now. No way. Come on. Make a move. Hey, yo! 3-0. Oh. Don't let him get skunked because he don't want to guard. Oh my God. No way! I am fucking there! That's not your range.
Say y'all about to.
What the fuck? In the comments, am I tripping or am I right fucking there? The kid just makes the shot, I don't get it. I'm there. No fucking way he makes the shot that I did. No way. Every time. Not your range. My range. Ooh. Popcorn don't taste that good. I'm good. 4-3. Game point. Same time. Gotta get a shot clock on them shots. Oh! Not your range. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. Oh!
That's not your range.
Come on, bet. When I can't shoot on the line, you know what I do? I take a couple steps back. Get back there. When I can't shoot on the line, I take a couple steps back and I make it watch. That's it, game. Fuck off the court, little boy. I gotta get my get back. I'm not good at unlimited dribbles, right? I gotta get it back in 3 dribbles. Don't let me. This is my spot. I can shoot here. I got this. This is my spot. Don't let him leave me open. This is my spot. Come on, man. 2-0. 3 dribbles is my shit. Really separates the men from the boys.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Say y'all about to kill.
Come on. Oh my! Where are you going? There's nothing over there. Fuck! You know it's a textbook one dribble pull up when your defender is still going to the basket when you're in the air. Wait, hold on.
2-0.
2-0.
My shot.
You said top of the key was your shot. Go ahead. No contest. It's gonna stay.
Ooh. It's off.
Come on, Todd. Put a fucking hand up. 3-0. One dribble pull. Fuck! It's good one dribble pull. I just can't make it. Shoot. It's not your shot. Hey. My hand's behind my back. Is that disrespectful? Come on, man, I'm not in fucking kindergarten. Licky! Spaghetti! He knew I had game.
Give it from red. If you love your subscribers.
From red? No, fucking red. Oh! Oh, he's so lucky. Come on, go to sleep.
Oh my, that looks great.
These bricks. I left him wide open. Come on. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Shoot the ball. Shoot. 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 Calvin's a better shooter than you. Shoot. Yeah.
Look at that one.
Oh my god, he's getting so lucky. I'm gonna trim it down like still can't shoot. You made one. Calvin's a better shooter. That's crazy. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Shoot it. My hands behind my back. Shoot it. My hands behind my back. Hey, that's not foul. Come on. No way. Run it back if we got to. That was all I could. If you want to look at it, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt to look at it. Little this thing up. You can't take it. You have it. You can't take it. You're stupid for that. I can get right past See? He knows you can't guard him like that. He can't sit down and guard. You gotta hit him. Game. I told y'all, I might not be good at unlimited dribbles, but on my get backs, I get my get backs in 3 dribbles, because that's what real hoopers do. That's what shows real skill. But shout out to Ty. He's definitely a bucket. First time I'm gonna tell you to your face, he's a bucket. He's definitely tough. He's easily the best opponent I've faced on my channel. I want to get him in some runs with me when we go to the parks and shit, because they'll go take one look at him and be like, oh, he's white, he can't really hoop. They're gonna get a dose of reality real quick. It is 1-1. We're gonna run it back at some point because it's 1-1. And yeah, man, we're gonna catch you in the next video. Mr. Click Clack, get back. We out. Peace.